4x square minus 9y square. To factorize this one must have to remember the differences of 2 square, which is that can be taken here a square minus b square. A square minus b square, which is also equals to a plus b into, that is a minus b. Now taking the help of this formula or identities, we'll try to factorize these questions here. So first here you'll have to convert or change the given terms into difference of 2 square. That means a square and b square. So taking here the formula, first 4, and we know that 4 is a perfect square of 2x. Again here 9 is a perfect square of, yes, that is 3. It has a variable y square, here also square. That is how here I've converted the given 2 terms in the form of a square minus b square, and that implies to the first one here a plus b. So here a, which means 2x, plus b, which is r, the value here 3y. Again here the second one we can see here a minus b, which is equals to 2x minus, we have here 3y. Now again here the third one, that is 81a square minus 25c square. Firstly, what you'll have to do, you'll have to convert this into difference of 2 square. We know that here 81 is a perfect square of, yes, that is 9. It has a variable a, so we take here 9a square. 25 is a perfect square of 5, and it has a variable c, so 5c square. That means this can be read a square minus b square, and that implies to, yes, that is first we take a plus b. That means a means here, that is 9a, plus b means here we get here 5c. Now the second part you'll have to take a minus b. A means here 9a minus b, which is 5c. Now here the second one, 125x square minus 45y square. Now is it a perfect square? No. On the other side also? No. That means what we can do, since we are using here the formula of a square minus b square, so what you'll have to do here, you'll have to take common. 125 and 45 is divisible by, yes, the highest common factor for these two terms are 5. After taking here 5 common, what we do, we divide these two numbers. So 5 into 2, 10, 2 in hand, so it becomes here 25. That means again 5 into 5, 25 x square minus 5 into how many times is 45? That is 5 into 9. It has a variable y square. Now 5 you'll have to drop here the same term. Now with these two terms you'll have to make into difference of 2 square. That is, we know that 25 is a perfect square of, yes, that is 5. It has a variable x. Again 9 is a perfect square of 3y. So we need to convert this into a square. So 5x square, then here b square, so 3y square. Now after that here, taking the help of identities, we know that a square minus b square can be taken, yes, a plus b, a minus b. Now this 5 you'll have to drop the same value here. First we take it a means 5x, b, which means 3y. Then here 5x plus 3y. After that here 5x minus 3y. The next type of questions here. Now what we can see here, minus 100 plus 1 upon 49 m square. What you'll have to do, you'll have to rearrange the given terms in the form of 1 upon 49 m square minus 100. Now with these two, you'll have to get, or you'll have to make a square minus b square. And here we know that here 1 is a perfect square of 1 and 49 is a perfect square of 7. It has a letter m. Likewise here 100 is a perfect square of 10. That means here we got here a square minus b square, and that implies to or equals to, yes, a plus b, a minus b. So here first 1 upon 7 m, which means a plus b. B means here 10. Now the second one here, again here we take a minus b, which means 10. Now here the next type questions here, 16p square upon 25q square minus x square upon 9y square. Now with these two terms you'll have to get a square minus b square. 16 is a perfect square of 4 divided by 25 is a perfect square of 5. It has a variable p square and q square. Since I've kept here already square outside, then we left with only p upon, that is q. Likewise here x, we keep here only x, the power we have already kept outside, upon 9 is a perfect square of 3, and y square can be written here only y. So I've got this in the form of a square minus b square. We know that here a square minus b square equals to, yes, a plus b times of a minus b. So here a plus b, a means this value, b means here. So first we take here 4 by 5 p upon q, that is a, plus b will be x upon, that is a 3y. Now next a minus b, a we have here 4p by, we have 5q minus b means x upon, that is 3y. Next one here, 25a square minus 49 within the bracket b minus a the whole square. First get in the form of a square minus b square. First you'll have to convert this into a square minus b square. Now here we know that 25 is a perfect square of 5. So 5a, and 49 is also a perfect square of 7, and within the bracket here b minus a we can close, after use curly bracket the whole square. So that is how here I've got a square minus b square, and that implies to, we know that here, yes, a plus b times of a minus b. Now taking these identities, since our question or the terms here is of the form a square minus b square, now you can write in the form of a plus b, which is a, which means we have 5a is the value of a. After that plus, which is plus sign. The next one b, b means here 7. After that within the bracket here b minus a we can close. Now this can be changed to curly bracket. Similarly here take a curly bracket here. Now again a minus b, a value we have here 5a minus, after that here b value we have here 7, that is 7 within the bracket b minus a we can close, followed by curly bracket. Now we can remove the innermost bracket. Now 5a, after that plus sign, with 7 we can open the bracket here, 7 into b can be taken here, 7b minus 7 into a, which is equal to 7a, times of, similarly 5a minus, with 7 you'll have to open the bracket, 7 into b will be 7b, minus into minus will be plus, 7 into a, which is 7a. Now we can see here the like terms, which is equals to, now here 7b, so single piece, so we drop here 7b. Now these two are like terms, 5a minus 7a, plus minus will be minus, 7a minus 5a equals to 2a, but sign we take from the bigger value, 7 is greater, it has minus sign. Likewise here 5a plus 7a, so that is equals to 12a followed by minus 7b. Now the next one here, you'll have to use the same formula, only here difference of 2 square. Now we can see here clearly the first two terms is already given here, a square minus b square, and we know that a square minus b square equals to a plus b. After that here, a minus b. Now here the last two terms, what you'll have to do, you'll have to take common, negative common. So here the common, nothing is there, we consider here highest common factor be 1. After taking 1 common, then we left with a minus or plus b. Now from this term and here you'll have to again take common. So what we can see, yes, the factor a plus b, here a plus b. So these two we can take here common. Taking here a plus b, the factor common, then we left with here only a minus b, and here along with the sign minus 1. Now to the next one here, x squared minus 36 minus y squared by 81. Now convert this into difference of 2 square. We can see here x square, that can be just simply taken x. 36 is a perfect square of, yes, 6. And here y square can be taken here only y. After that here 81 is also a perfect square of 9. And we know that a square minus b square can be written, yes, that is a plus b into a minus b. So here this can be taken as a value and this can be taken as b value. So first you'll have to add, that is a plus b. b means here only y by 9. Second, a minus b, that is x by 6 minus then here y by 9. Now the next type of question here, x raised to 5 minus 25, that is a x cube. So here you'll have to first convert or change it into difference of 2 square. But right now here we have got here x raised to 5 and to the other one here x cube, which means here you'll have to take x common. And while taking the variable common, we take the least power. So here the least power will be 3 cube. So after taking here x cube from x raised to 5, then we left with only x square minus 25 only. So here x cube minus 3 minus 3 will be 0. Now again we drop here x cube. Now make this into difference of 2 square. So this one is already a perfect square. So x square minus 25 is a perfect square of, yes, that is 5 square. Now I've got here difference of 2 square of a square minus b square, that can be taken here a plus b, a minus b. Now this part we drop the same here, that is a means only x plus b, which means 5. Likewise here a minus b, x minus b here 5. Now here the next one, x raised to 4 minus we have here p raised to 4. Then here first steps you'll have to change this into or convert into difference of 2 square. Now here x to the power 2. So I've already kept here square. Again here p raised to 4, you'll have to keep a square here. So within the bracket another 2 more p. I've got here a square minus b square, and that can be taken here a plus b. A means here x square plus b means p square. Again here this can be taken here a minus b square, b square. Now again for this one you'll have to increase one more step here, x square plus we have here p square. After that again here it's already difference of 2 square, that is a square minus b square. This can be also written of the form a plus b into a minus b. Next one here, first step you can change this into or get in the form of a square minus b square. And second step, after forming a square minus b square, then that can be written a plus b into a minus b. Now we can see here 256, and we know that 256 is a perfect square of, yes, that is 16. Now here x raised to 4, but we need to form only a square, so that is why here this can be taken here x to the power 2. So 2 2s are 4. So I've converted the given polynomial in the form of x square minus, that is a square minus b square, and that implies to, we can write a plus b. So a plus b means here it will be x square. This will be a plus b. B means here 16. The second step, a minus b. A minus b means again here x square minus b means 16. Now here this part we can drop the same here, x square minus x square plus 16. Again here this factor can be written in the form of a square minus b square. So x square minus 16 is a perfect square of 4. So 4 square. Now this side you will have to drop the same here, x square plus we have here 16, and here a square minus b square. Again you can take this formula a plus b into a minus b. That can be here a, which is x, plus b, that is only 4. A minus b, that will be x minus we have here 4. Now the next one, here x square minus 2xy plus y square minus 9. So it's clearly we can see here the first three terms are given in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, and that can be taken in the form of a minus b the whole square. So here a, which means x, followed by minus b, which means only y. So a minus b, it's given here whole square, so we take here whole square. Now again here 9, which is also a perfect square of, yes, that is 3 3s are 9, that means perfect square of 3. Now it's clearly we can see here this can be read in the form of a square minus b square, and we know that a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Now a means here the factor, or x minus y can be read a, plus b means here 3. To the other side you'll have to take a minus b, which means a means x minus y we call a, plus b value we have here 3. Again here the next one, a square plus 4b square minus 4ab minus 9c square. The given here, the first three terms are in the form of perfect square trinomials. Now this can be rearranged in the form of a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Now first you'll have to check which are the perfect square, which term are perfect square. Here we can see clearly these are the two squares. So one will be a, the other will be b. So this can be taken here a square. Now minus sign, minus sign. After that 2 into a into b, so 2 into a. A means only a letter, a into b means 4 is a perfect square of 2. So 2, it has a variable b, plus given here b square, which means b means 2b the whole square, minus we can drop 9c square, and we know that a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to, yes, that is a minus b the whole square. You'll have to take now only a and b. So a means here a minus sign, b means 2b whole square. That means a minus b the whole square. To the other one here 9, and we know that it is a perfect square of, yes, that is 3. It has a variable c square, which means here I've got here of the form a square minus b square, and that can be taken a plus b into a minus b. So here first you'll have to take a plus b, the whole this factor we call a, that is a minus 2b plus b. So plus b means this term, which is 3c. After that a minus b, which means a minus 2b minus 3c. The next one here, we can see here difference of 2 square. This will be a square minus b square, and we know that here a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. So first take the value of a here, that is 2p minus we have here 3q. This would be a. First we take plus sign after value of b, which is 4q minus 3p. A plus b, now you'll have to take a minus b. A means again here 2p minus we have here 3q minus b, which is 4q minus 3p. After that here you'll have to remove the innermost bracket. This can be taken here now, 2p minus 3q plus 4q minus 3p. To the other side here also 2p minus 3q. With negative you'll have to multiply here, minus 4q minus will be plus, that is we get here 3p. Now here we'll have to group the like terms. Now 2p minus 3p can be written here, yes, minus how much, that is a 1p. Now these two are like terms here, minus plus minus, then 3q minus 4q will be only 1q, but sign still will be plus because we take from the bigger value. Similarly 2p and 3p, these two are like terms, 2p plus 3p, which is equals to 5p. Minus minus are plus, 3q plus 4q will be 7q, sign will be minus, or this can be also written, that is a q minus p, 5p minus 7q. Next one here. Now again here you'll have to apply difference of 2 square. The first one 3x minus 2y the whole square, which means this is our a square, 25z square, and we know that 25 is a perfect square of, yes, that is 5. So we take here 5, it has a letter z, so I've got here a square minus b square, and we know that a square minus b square can be taken a plus b times of a minus b. Now first we take here a plus b, that implies to 3x minus 2y plus b means here 5z into a minus b, that is again here 3x minus 2y plus, that is here minus, 5z. The next one here, again it's already in the form of here x plus y the whole square minus x minus y the whole square. So it's already given here in the form of a square minus b square. Straight away you can take a plus b times of a minus b. Now taking the formula here, a. So a means here this x plus y can be taken as a, and b means x minus y. So first we take here, this will be a plus b will be x minus y. Now again here, a minus b. A will be x plus y minus b means here x minus we have here y. Now after that here we can open the bracket, then here x plus y plus again here plus minus y. Here again x plus y you'll have to multiply by negative. So minus x minus into minus will be plus y. So we can see here the like terms. Minus y plus y we can cancel. So we left with 1x plus 1x equals to 2x into here plus x minus x we can cancel. 1y plus 1y equals to 2y, which is equals to 2 into 2 will be 4x into y can be written here xy. The next one here, we can see a square plus b square plus 2ab minus c square minus d square minus 2cd. The first three terms are already given in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, and that can be written a plus b the whole square. So first we just copy down here the given terms here, a square plus b square plus 2ab. After that here what we do, the last three terms from here you'll have to take the sign minus sign common. Taking here the sign common, so we can take here a bracket. Now minus, since I've taken here common sign here, minus sign common, you'll have to multiply with minus sign. Minus into minus will become plus c square, again minus into minus will be plus d square, again minus into minus will be plus 2cd. We can close. So like I said before here, a square plus b square plus 2ab equals to a plus b the whole square. So we take here a plus b the whole square. After that we have here minus sign. Now this can be also read a square plus b square minus, here it is plus 2ab, which is also equals to a plus b the whole square. That means this can be read a square plus b square plus 2ab, and that equals to a plus b the whole square. So here a, which means a letter c, we have a plus sign. B means a letter d the whole square. So we have got here difference of two square, a square minus b square, and that implies to, yes, a plus b, a minus b. So a means here a plus b plus b means c plus we have a letter d. The next one, a minus b. So a means here a plus b, we have here minus, then again here which is within the bracket c plus we can take d, use here a curly like this here, and this side we don't need to take also because it will not affect with a positive sign here. Now we drop here the same term here, b plus c plus d, we can close. Like this here we can open the innermost bracket, and that implies to a plus b multiply with this minus sign. Minus into c will be minus c, minus plus will be minus. After that we have left with a letter